Welcome to another episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, we're going to be working with something that's never been even heard of, a healthy dessert. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I do for my healthy dessert. So what I like to do first is put a little toasted coconut Halo ice cream. Halo ice cream is dairy free. It's also vegan friendly. So it's a good ice cream to start off with. So you put that on the bottom. We're gonna do a little bit of sliced bananas. You can use one large banana. Nice. Some blueberries, about a half a cup. Now these are the famous brownies, but it's the same recipe as the protein balls. So if you can go back on the channel, you'll see the protein ball recipe, and that's how you make those. A little 70% dark cocoa chocolate chips, some toasted coconut flakes, some banana chips, unsweetened, and there you go. So there you have it. This is my basically brownie sundae, my version of it. All healthy, a lot of protein, a lot of vitamins. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this recipe. As always, stay tuned for next week. A video drops every Tuesday and Saturday. We started a new thing doing vlogs now also, so follow those two. Gives you an intake on like what I do on a normal week and what my life is really about. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that. As always, leave me any comments, any feedbacks, any suggestions for a new video. Until next week, see you guys later. Take it easy.